Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Knit, Crochet y Tejido. In this video I'm going to teach you how to crochet this simple and easy stitch. It's perfect for a bikini cover up. That's what I'm going to use the stitch for. I hope you guys like it and give it a try, and here is the list of material you're going to need to make it. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. Also, I have a playlist, Ruby Statement English tutorial. I have all my English tutorials. For this stitch, I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook. And this yarn, there is a blend of bamboo and cotton. The balls are 50 grams. And it's like a fine two, and the color is rose or a light pink. This stitch is multiple of 4 plus 2. I'm going to do a slip knot and do a chain of 22. So like that, you're going to continue chaining until you have the amount of stitch that you need for your project. Remember, you're going to do 4, 4, 4, 4 at the end, then you add 2 more. So multiple of 4 plus 2. Once you have your chains, you're going to chain 1 more. And you're going to go to the second chain from the hook, and you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to do another single crochet in the next chain space. You're going to chain 2. You're going to count 1, 2, and in the third chain you're going to do a single crochet. In the next chain space you're going to do another single crochet, and that's a repetition of row 1. Chain 2. You're going to skip 1, 2 chains, go to the third one, single crochet, and go to the next one, single crochet. Chain 2, 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, like that. You're going to finish with 2 single crochet at the end of row 1. Once you finish row 1 for 2, you're going to chain 3. Turn your work around, you're going to do a double crochet in the next single crochet. You're going to chain 2, and you're going to do a double crochet on each single crochet. The next 2 single crochet. And this is a repetition that you do in row 2. This is a 2-row repetition. Chain 2, yarn over, you're going to go to the next 2 single crochet, and you're going to do 2 double crochet, 1 on each. And like that, you're going to continue with the chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2. At the end, you're going to finish with 2 double crochet. Now in row 3 you're going to do the repetition of row 1. You're going to chain 1, turn your work around, you're going to do a single crochet on top of each double crochet. 1 and 2, chain 2, 2 single crochet, 1 on each double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 2, a single crochet on top of each double crochet, and like that is how you're going to do the repetition of row 1 here in row 3, and you're going to finish with 2 single crochet. Now you're going to do the repetition of row 2. You're going to chain 3, turn your work around, and you're going to do a double crochet in the next single crochet. And we're working in row 4. Chain 2, yarn over, 2 double crochet, and top of those 2 single crochet. So 1 on each. Chain 2, 2 double crochet, 1 on each single crochet, and like that you're going to continue in the repetition of row 2. You're going to finish with 2 double crochet. Now you're going to work a repetition of 1. So you're going to chain 1, single crochet on top of each double crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. So that's 1 on each double crochet. Chain 2, 2 single crochet, and like that you're going to continue and you're going to finish with 2 single crochet. Those are the 2 rows that you're going to repeat over and over, and I will show you after I work a few more, that way you can see. Like this is the stitch after a few row repetition, and I really like the stitch. I want to do a beach cover up or a bikini cover up with this stitch because I really like it. And I hope you guys like it, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make this stitch or something with this stitch and you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Net Crochet y Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.